How to fix age restriction in TikTok on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device. Once open, tap on your profile icon and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here, tap on the settings and privacy option you see there, and then go ahead and review your account information and ensure that your age is correct, as TikTok has a certain age limit for you to qualify for age restricting videos. See if that helps, and if not, then scroll down to the bottom in settings itself and you will see the option for help center. Tap on the help center option you see there and then go ahead and report your problem. You can navigate to account and profile option and then go ahead and tap on the account safety option you see there and then explain that your date of birth is correct and you are being age restricted by mistake. You can then follow TikTok's instruction, which may include providing a government issued ID for verification. See if that helps, and if not, then open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for TikTok and make sure that the TikTok application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update the app, as sometimes this issue might occur due to outdated version of the app. See if that helps, and if not, then open settings and then go ahead and tap on general. Here you will see the option for iPhone storage. Tap on it and navigate to TikTok and then go ahead and offload the app and reinstall the app again, and doing this might help you in fixing your issue. If not, then you can go back to your home screen and tap hold on the TikTok app and then tap on the remove app option. Remove the app and then reinstall it from the App Store and then sign back into your account, and by now your issue should have been fixed. And if not, then if your age is actually under the requirement, then make sure that TikTok enforces age restrictions for safety and legal compliance. So if your account is registered as being below the required age for certain features, you may need to wait until your account meets the eligibility requirement. So these were a few ways on how you can fix age restriction in TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.